Hi, good morning, everyone. Let me quickly show you what happened to the levels which we marked in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and few of the stocks. I'll show you like how many of them worked and how many didn't work. So this is what we planned for Friday. We wanted to go long above this level, and we also had one level here where we thought like to go long. So this is what we planned to go long from here and to go long even if price sustain above this, and the SL will be below this demand area. And even if it go below demand area, we thought like to go short with this level 19,000 380 level as a first target. And now let's see what happened in Nifty. So in Nifty, in the after the pre-market, I alerted everyone on the Telegram telling like the price is opening at the demand area and all risky players can enter. Why risky player means the first 1-2 minutes the premiums will be very high. They will be fluctuating. Even there will be some whipsaw, like price can go little below and then it will start going up. So people who can take little bit of risk, they can only enter. For conservatives, they need to wait and enter clear trade after first 5 minutes or something. So as expected in the first 5 minutes, so this is what we expected. There should be a bounce from the demand area. As expected, we have seen a nice up move. And as planned yesterday, we wanted to exit around this area. This is where Nifty has closed yesterday. So we wanted to exit there. And what happened later, even it went like, above the previous day. But yesterday I said like we should be going long above this, but I didn't do that because there will be so many things which we need to consider, like where market opened, how it rallied and all. So based on so many things, I didn't enter here. And that too, this is a false breakout. For senior people, they know what to do with the false breakout. The fall on the false breakout will be like very strong on whatever side it give you the false breakout. If it give you false breakout on the downside, the up move will be very short. When it give false breakout on the upside, the downside move will be so short. So below this, what we can do, we can enter put for what target? This one, 19,400. As expected, even this target also reached. Of course, Nifty went even like much low. And remember, I have been showing you some pattern for the last couple of days on few stocks. Whenever the demand area broke, of course, it gave us our target. Now later, whenever price go below that demand area where we expect the price to bounce, what happened? The same demand will turn into supply. I have shown this example in the last 2-3 videos on many stocks. So why am I showing you that? Once you keep on noticing all those things, you can make some decisions even based on those particular patterns. Now, if you see here, after a big fall from the demand area, the price went back. See where it went? It just went back to the demand area. See how magically this zone is working. The same area, what we can do, we can short here. And see, look at the fall. The fall is so short from there. I have been showing you this pattern for the past 2-3 days on so many different stocks. So it's not like our level failed or something. Even if it failed, we know how to make some new decision, new trade accordingly. You need some technical knowledge to plan all those things. That is about Nifty. Now let us see what will be the levels for Nifty on Monday. So on Monday, if the price come to this level, so because of this volatility and all, it is better to go with some confirmation trades. So around 19,270, if you see market coming to this level and if there is any indice you candle, then we'll go long. In the same way, if you see the price going up to the supply area, so what we wanted to do, if you see price falling to this level, what we'll do, we'll go long over there. What will be the first target? First target definitely will be the closing area, and then we'll keep on trailing SL till this supply area. And or let's say price open somewhere here, and if it breaks this supply area, we'll go long for this supply area. So that should be the plan for Monday. And if you are entering long here, your SL should be above this one. If you are entering here, the SL should be above the zone. So go mark all these zones on your charts, and we'll see like how market will give us entry and how we'll turn them into profitable trades. Now let us see what happened on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty didn't give like more clear trades compared to Nifty. Now let's see. So on Bank Nifty, let me take my cursor. We have one pattern here in Bank Nifty, and even I alerted the same, saying that there is a chance it can bounce. As expected, it bounced like more than 100 points here. So, so as expected, it gave like almost 100 points, and from there it started facing resistance. By then, already Nifty reached it almost the gap filled area. So from there we have seen Nifty falling. Same story again. What we should do, like once the demand area closed, we need to go for puts. Beginners don't have to do that. For beginners, I have given some clear direction to go short only below 45,000, not even below previous low. So this is the round figure, and we know there will be some good fall from there. We have seen, see, our target, like the planned target was this. Once if it go below 45,000, we expected some nice fall till 44,750 area, something like that. In between, there is one hurdle. This is the low. If you see, this is where actually low made on this gap up day. Even that could be one hurdle. If you see, Bank Nifty went little below that. If you have entered put below this demand area, definitely you would have made some profit. Even below this trend line 45,000 also should have given you some good profit. Now let us see what will be the fresh levels in Bank Nifty for Monday. Oh, sorry. The same story again in Bank Nifty also. It went back exactly to this demand area, whatever it has broken. And from there, we have seen some shortfall. And for Monday in Bank Nifty, we'll go long only above 45,100. If you see price going above 45,100, that is where we'll look to go long. Above this area, we'll look to go long. And the target will be again this one, the high of Friday. So we'll look to go long here for 150, 200 points. And another long will be above 45,400, because you don't know, once if it cross this area, you don't know from where you will get the rejection. Maybe it can go till to this previous close area, or maybe even you can see rejection from anywhere in this zone. So we don't want to take any risk. We want some clear trade. So if you enter long about 45,100, you just get out of it around 45,250 somewhere, like 150, 170 points rally. And because we don't know like from where it is going to fall, and to go long again above 45,400. Only above this level, there is some possibility of up move. That is what the plan should be. And to go short in Bank Nifty, okay, another option to go long is like, let's wait for the market to come to this demand area, 44,750. If you see any indice candle and if you see any up move, we'll go long. There is one more level below this. In case if you get entry around 44,670, 680 area, this is where we'll have to go long. And below this level only, we can look to go short. Below 44,600, 620, if price sustains over there, we'll look to go long. So that will be a bit far away. We'll see where the market opens, how it give entry, and accordingly we can trade. And now let us look at the stocks which we planned. First, let me go to the AU Bank chart. AU Bank chart is a SL trade. Let me go to the 15 minutes. So this is what we planned in 15 minutes to go long. This is the first candle itself. It was a strong red candle, and this is a SL trade. So remember one thing. If you remember, we planned so many longs for Friday. When we plan so many longs, what it means? We want the market to come down. We don't enter any stock or anything when at the higher rate. We want the market to come down so that we can enter. Whenever we are planning anything like to go long, which means we wanted first that stock to fall, or even the market should come down so that we'll get entry. Whenever we are planning short, which means market has to go up first. There will be some levels from where we can short. So we wanted, when the price is here, we didn't want to go long here. We want the price to come here, and that is where we wanted to go long, but this is a stopped out trade. Now, the other stocks which gave entry were, let me see. Yeah, so let me show you something. All the stocks levels, whatever we put here, like, on the group, they were like planned when the markets were closed. We don't know exactly what will be the news, what will be the global sentiment for the next day, where the stocks will open. We don't know anything. We just simply plan the levels for next day. But Based on all these factors, we need to change our decision little bit. Maybe in such a volatility day, if there is any globally bad news or something, we may need to look for confirmation entries. So if you remember, I didn't ask anyone to enter in this trade. So you need some sort of experience, like, to handle all these situations. So here, this is a stopped out trade in Conquer, but we didn't enter this trade. And Cholamandalam Finance, this is a stop out trade as well. We didn't even trade this one also. This is a 5 minutes HIT trade. I didn't ask anyone to enter this trade also. So people who don't know about demand and supply, exactly how it works, what they do, simply, okay, somebody has given me this level to short here, I'll just go short. Because they don't know the additional information whether to take that decision or not. All these were planned before the market. Maybe by the next day, because of many factors, we may have to change our decision. So we didn't enter this, but people who don't know about all those information, definitely they would have got stop loss in that. And what happened? There is one more Hindalco trade. So let me show you Hindalco here. Even in such a bearish day, what happened Hindalco? See, Hindalco has given entry in the first candle itself. And look at this 1:1.8. It has given 1:1.8 trade. So normally what we do, the target which we planned in Hindalco was 426, almost at the close of yesterday. But what we do normally, according to the rules, whenever it give like 1:1, we need to move our SL to the buy cost. And whenever it is 1:1.5, either you can book the profit or you can keep trailing the SL. So it went till like 1:1.8. Either for 1,000 rupees risk, you should have booked like 1,000, 1,500. Even if you are aiming for this target, you didn't lose anything, because when it come back, your SL should have gone at the buy price. So that was a nice thing, nice trade, because it was complete bearish, but still something worked for us. So out of all the stocks, AU Bank hit SL for sure. Cholamandalam Finance, Conquer, they also gave entry, but we didn't enter them because we know we should not be entering them. Hindalco has given 1:1.5 trade. And definitely we made some profit in FinNifty and also Bank Nifty and Nifty. And especially we should talk about the Nifty level which we planned. This worked very well. If you remember yesterday, I believe the similar kind of move we found in Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty gave such a nice move. See, we don't have to exaggerate on this, or we don't have to be like too much happy on this. This is like a regular kind of thing in market. Maybe one day it will respect our levels, one day it will stop out. So it don't have to be like a one day kind of jackpot thing. It has to be like a regular market. So just treat Nifty and Bank Nifty also as just like two stocks. There are like thousands of stocks in the market, like 4,000-5,000 stocks in the market. Out of them, think Nifty and Bank Nifty also as a stock. So out of all these thousands of stocks, there will be only very few, like 5-10 stocks, which will be giving us some short entry or some long entry. In the similar way, Nifty and Bank Nifty also will give us entry someday, and someday don't give any entry. We don't even trade them. There are many people who really just want to trade on Bank Nifty and Nifty. So every day they force Nifty and Bank Nifty, and they force themselves to enter somewhere and to make some profits in Nifty and Bank Nifty, which is a dangerous thing, because treat these two as stocks. Maybe there are days where it will give entry, and there are days where they don't give any entry. So we need to wait patiently, and only whenever it gives some clear trades, we'll just enter them. If you remember, in last 2-3 months, there were no proper entries at all in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So in this kind of sideway move, wherever it gaps up, and there won't be much move. So either the movement will be in first 15-20 minutes, or the movement will come after 3 or 3:15. So which gave us like very hard time to trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we don't have to run after just these two. There are so many stocks in the market. We can try to find nice levels in them, and we can try to make similar profits in those stocks. Thank you so much for watching. And coming to the stocks, I'll post the stocks on the Telegram group. Whoever watching this video for the first time, there is a Telegram channel in the description. Go click it, join there for the live market updates. I'll be posting all the trades for Monday on the Telegram channel. So thank you so much for watching.